Today I'm going to take these tomato cages that I used during the pandemic with all of my wonderful tomato plants and turn them into Christmas trees. Hey guys, it's Jennifer, and today we're going to make Christmas trees out of my tomato cages that I used during the pandemic to grow all of my tomatoes, so stay tuned. The tomato cages that I'm using today I got from Loews. I know Walmart still carries them and Home Depot, and you could probably find them on clearance right now. But these will be able to be reused again next spring when I plant my new tomatoes. You can cut them down to any size that you'd like. Let me take one off here. So this is going to be the tree, and if you want a shorter tree, just chop off here. I want them all tall, so I'm going to leave them like this. Okay, and then I've got a pair of pliers, wire cutters, some garland twists, and these are all from the Dollar Tree. There's 12 pieces in them, and then the actual garland right here, and this is also from the Dollar Tree. And I've already done one to see how many I was going to need. You need between 8 and 10, depending on how full you want your tree to be. Start building our tree. I'm just going to push those out of the way, and we're going to start working on this, and we're going to open up these garland ties, and they're, I believe, 12 inches long, and they look like this, and they're just really flexible. You can bend them and twist them. So what you want to do first is take the bottom of the tomato cage, and you're going to wrap all the way around the bottom. Just keep twisting it, and I think you're going to need 4 of them. So we've got the base like that, and we'll just keep going and just twist it right on there. There we go. We've got half of it done. They just twist right on. It's kind of like a pipe cleaner, just with the pine stuff on it, and twist it on. And then one more. Twist it on. If you're looking to make these, I would definitely check your Dollar Tree soon for the garland. I've already had to hit a couple of them to get enough to make trees because now family and friends want them. So definitely scoop this up now because it's not going to be there much longer. So there we go. That's the bottom of the tree. And then you're going to come up to the top of the tree and just take one of the wired garlands and cut a third of it off. And they just snip right off with the wire cutters. And all you're gonna do is come to the top and twist this so that it stays together, and that will form the top of your tree. Then you're gonna take the garland, and all you're gonna do is unwind it, find the end here. There we go. And then you're just gonna start taking the garland and working your way from the top, and then just start twisting it, not too tightly, around the tree. I'm gonna twist this here. Got a little bit of a tangle. All right, and then just keep twisting it. And like I said, it just depends on how full you want your tree to be, to how many of these garlands that you'll need. But I think I use 10 on all of my trees. And building your tree up. And then once you get it going, it starts to build up a lot faster. It's just getting it started. And the top, it'll keep coming off. At the end, you can just go back up and fasten it back up there. And then you can just take it to the end and twist it around, and then we'll go up and fix the top. Get that to stay on there. There we go. And then we're just going to move that up, and then that's the start of the tree. Okay, these are the lights I'm using from Walmart. Again, they were $2.44 for 100 of the clear mini lights. So we're just going to open them up and pull them out of the box and just undo the little twist tie. And again, you could use, 25 lights, 50 lights, whatever you like. My mom decorating growing up always used lots of Christmas lights, and it was just absolutely beautiful. And I also like to put the lights on the tree while they're plugged in so you can see. So here's 2 of the trees I've done so far. They've got all the lights on them. And I'm losing my daylight, so I'm gonna have to take them inside to finish decorating. But they're coming out pretty great. It's time to do a little spray painting. I picked up these fleur-de-lis from Hobby Lobby. I think they were $3.99, but they were on sale for $1.99. They're just chipboard, which is like a thick cardboard, and I've got 2 of them, and they're gonna be the tree toppers. And then I got Rust-Oleum Metallic Flat Soft Iron spray paint. I love this brand of spray paint. It dries amazing, and it's really easy to use. I have a tripod for my camera, but I don't want to set it up because there's usually overspray from the spray painting, and it's a little windy outside today, so I'm just gonna do it one-handed and try to paint and hold the phone at the same time. So I'm just gonna go in layers. Let's start this. Yeah, there's a lot of overspray. And just do a nice even layer. And then, ooh, it's already so pretty. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back and do the other side and then the edges. All right, my fleur-de-lis are all spray painted on both sides, and they're dried and they're ready to go on top of the tree. They came out so pretty. That glittery spray paint is everything. So now we have both of the tree toppers done with the bows on top, and it's time to decorate. Okay, there we go. Both trees are completely done. I love the way they came out. I'm just debating whether or not I want to do ribbon down the side. So there they are, all done with the ribbon. They came out so good. I'm so excited to put these outside. I know it's not even Thanksgiving, but they're gorgeous. So there we go. Christmas trees made out of tomato cages. Okay, so they're outside. I'm so excited. I think I'm the only person in my neighborhood that has Christmas lights up so far, but that's okay. So here they are, both of the tomato cage Christmas trees. They came out so great. So now I just need to get a Christmas doormat, which I'm pretty sure I already have one that I want to use. And I'm going to make a wreath, which I will film, to go on the door. I think since it's like winter, well, fall-ish, the birds are done building nests right now, so we shouldn't have any problems. So I'm super excited to finish this, but it looks great so far. Thanks for watching.